saying you was doing what, my man?
I said I was strolling through the actual phone late night at San Quentin State Prison, right?
What block was you in, man? Come on, man. Give us a location where you was. You on Bayside, yard side, what?
No, I was an H unit actually.
Oh, see, I wasn't that deep in. I was just on the yard side.
So I was an H unit, a main line.
Oh, main line. Okay, dead man walking all that. Oh man, I'm gonna tell you one time. Yeah, I was there, and Mexican got hit.
Yeah.
He was a child molester.
Wow.
And I keep reading the sign going at child line every day. It say, no warning shots fired.
Yes, sir.
And I was like, when they started sticking him, we backed away, brothers backed away. I looked up at the sky. I saw the girl trying to move the little thing. I said, she gonna shoot. Everybody hit the ground. I was like, this shit is serious. And the shot we gonna fire is gonna be one gonna hit somebody.
Yeah, definitely, for sure.
Okay, back to TV. So, you were saying you were scrolling.
I was strolling through late night, right, and I'm watching HD TV, right? Like as far as, because like I said, this is my dream bike, right? I always wanted a Harley Davidson, so I'm just strolling, just looking at bikes late night, and I see Big Money Rob's Cars and Stereo, so I click on it, right? And then I just see this person as far as making these bikes do amazing things, man. And that's how I end up stumbling across your page, and I start following you, and I told myself, I said, when I come home, I'm gonna get on the ground, right? And I'm
gonna find this guy,
right? And I'm definitely going to see this man for sure. And this, to make a long story short,
here we are.
It's May 1st, Friday, and I'm right here on the ground, getting ready to get your famous installation.
Okay, we're gonna put you on the map, man. You know,
sir.
And like each one teach one. I tell everybody when they see you, they gonna want to be you.
Right. Yes, sir.
That's all I got to say.
For
Money's
sure.
Car Stereo. Time to go. Yeah, man. My man said he checked me out from the inside.
Light up the darkness.
And he said, hey, Rob, let's go. Well, we hold him up. I think lined up the deck. Morty Sony starting to show up. And so, yeah, we're gonna work on the bags tomorrow. We out of energy as of today. We're gonna sit still. Kick it in early. So we can give tomorrow hit it full speed ahead. Tomorrow we're gonna fill up the bags. We got a whole stack of things that's going up in here. So yeah, we done for the night though. They should and should not do if I see something spotted. One came in today. I'm not shaming nobody. Me and my partner, Meshack, partner in crime over here, we just had to move it around. We just wanted to show you what we are seeing and hearing at the same time. Try and move the bike forward, Mike. Do y'all hear that? I had to grab it and we had to pull it. Now, if you don't know what that sound is, that's what that sound is. That's what it looks like down up in there. Let me hit the light on so y'all can really see that. That's metal to metal. Both sides. The owner told me, Daily Rider! I'm like, where was you going? You ain't going too fast. Unsafe rider. So I'm gonna make the comment to him, hey, you need to address this ASAP. Because you're not doing yourself justice, and when you try and stop this, it's gonna end bad for you. And so, you know, old days, they seen you with a ball tire on a certain set, certain club, cut your tire on the spot, made sure you could not function, and you had to address the problem. And so I'm not gonna take apart brake calipers and do all that mess, but I'm gonna let him know you need to fix this. Bring your mechanic over here, bring somebody, get some brake shoes on this. If you got the rotor, do that too. But
You don't need a rotor.
you're gonna need a rotor, but at the minimum, get you some brake pads all the way around. I'm gonna do my part of the job, but I'm gonna do it under protest, but I'm gonna do it, which is the music. But if I see something wrong with some scenarios, hey, I'm gonna point a finger and say, hey man, and somebody, you may have not seen it, you may think that's just the way it's supposed to be. This ain't the way it's supposed to be. You see Mike just creeped up real smooth with his, and no sound, rolling easy. No movement. Gotta go. You never know what might come through. Got 1, 2, 3. My people's dropped this off and said, Rob, what can we do? I want to do it all. I can do what I want to do? What I think would be the best move? He said, yeah. I said, oh, okay. Let's do it. I said, sound like a plan. Yeah. Let's go. Now y'all see what I'm looking at. Man, turn around. Let me see the back, man. Let me see your back, man. See your back. Man, he coordinating with the bike. So you trying to say you the one?
Huh?
Trying to say you the one? That's what you trying to say?
Yeah, something like that, man. I ain't gonna lie, man.
He ain't gonna lie. You feel like you the one right about now?
Yeah, I feel like it, man.
Okay, he feel like he the one. Yeah, and y'all see he riding the one. Money's Car Stereo. We can't stop, won't stop. That's it. I don't want that one. He looks tired. What you trying to get? Ain't no more lobster. Work to do. Work to do. Work to do. Work to do. My boy from the yard, we got your bags set up. Mr. Taylor, we got your bags set up. I'm gonna set the bags up for this one, the bags up for the other one, tomorrow's program, and then after that we'll go to placement of speakers on everything, and then we can get to wiring. Can't stop, won't stop. Money's Car Stereo. I'm not gonna say next on this one, because I said next and y'all gave me next. I'm gonna say let me get through this. That's all I got to say. We out. Toasting up in here, girl.
Virus gets into nursing homes, it does spread like wildfire. New York has been hit hardest with a fifth of
What are y'all drinking here?
nursing home and long-term care deaths.
Peach Moscato. Who makes Peach Moscato?
These facilities from both civil lawsuits and criminal prosecution.
Okay, tasty. I should say good for the palate. Get some of this crab. We out.
Oh, so Vicky.
I was sitting here moving this bike around, and I really was pissed off about the situation of it moving, or not being able to move it, slowing me down. So I looked at some of the comments, which I didn't get what they were saying until I thought about it, and I reviewed my own video I had made. That the brake pads were indeed, bam, on the same side. That's why it was metal to metal. Yes, he does need brakes, but he could have survived this. But we didn't notice that. I think when they switched the rim, because the other one was bald, they didn't see that when they put it back together. So I pressed the pistons back in. I'm going to spread them back out and make this thing so it's movable. But he still needs to get that rotor and brake pads, but it will be safe enough to drive home. But he needs to address all the safety issues with this. But Money's Car Stereo, should just try to get our fix on him. Slowing me down is in my way. Gotta go. Bag time. Let me see what we got here. Got your lid speaker in. Yeah, that turned out pretty good. Yeah, that's gonna be beautiful when we get this together. Yeah, let's put that up for now. That's one. Let's see what we got here. The tour pack, the stripe on there, working it out like that. A little preview of things to come. You know, trying to keep it moving. Yeah, that part right there.